Yeah, this is a lot of water coming down through here. And it's not even raining now. I'm sure it was a lot worse last night when it was raining hard. As you can see, it's not even raining right now. So the boulders that well, I don't know, they're not boulders, I guess the rocks that I stacked over there, they made a big difference. I keep on trying different things to see if I can solve the problem of all this water, just to try to keep it away from my house. So I stacked those boulders there last year. We didn't have a whole lot of rain or snow last year, but this year all kinds of snow, and now we had a lot of rain. So this is pretty well proven to me that that part is working. Although I don't need to put some right there, I'm going to, because it seems to flow by that area and then it hits the other part and is directed down over the falls. A couple years ago I built this rock wall. That was built, well, it was built mainly to stop a flow like this. And like I say, this isn't the heavy flow. It's not even raining now. It hasn't rained for a little while. I don't even know when it stopped, but yesterday there was times when it was raining real hard. So I had originally, getting water on, it's dripping down off the trees. I originally built that wall in order, you can just see my garage there. The water used to come down over the bank and towards my garage and towards my house. So I originally built this rock wall so it wouldn't go over the bank towards the house. So right now that is just an extra protection, that it won't go that way. This year I can see that this pile of rock right here that I put up is doing the job. So I will probably reinforce that a little bit, and if it's dry enough in the summer I might even put the mortar to it to make it permanent. But it's definitely doing the job it was meant to do. It's redirecting the water down the falls.